Hello everyone, my name is Mark and I'm currently a rising sophomore at Regis High School. My starter project at BlueStamp Engineering is this, the Mini POV 4. It has 8 LEDs on it which are controlled by a microcontroller and flash according to an image that you can program. You can view this image by moving it fast enough, like this, or if you have a long exposure camera. So it basically works by having LEDs, which are diodes, which means that they only accept an electric current going in one direction, but they're light emitting diodes, or LEDs for short. They are controlled. The image is controlled by the microcontroller, which accepts an image from a computer and stores it and then controls it later. You can program it yourself via this USB port, which is right here. Another major part of it is the resistors. There's 2.2K and 47 ohm, which basically resist electric current and help the LEDs. You also have the capacitors, which help to regulate the speed and other things. You also have the potentiometer, which you can, I'll show you. Which turns, it's a specific type of resistor, and you can use it to speed up or slow down the speed of the LEDs. So if I turn it like this, it's getting faster. You can tell because you see the colors less and less often. And if I turn it down like this, you can see the colors more often. Yeah. Okay, thank you.